What's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys have been waiting for this day, right? It is time to give away our brand new Silhouette Cameo 3 vinyl cutter. So, as you know, we did a contest for this. We started it last Thursday, okay? And I said today, on Monday, we would give away and pick our winner for the Silhouette Cameo 3. And we had a little contest. I always like to do a challenge. And you guys absolutely blew away the challenge. So the challenge was we needed, on the Facebook post for the Rhinestone World Facebook page, we needed 500 likes, we needed 400 comments, and we needed 300 shares. You guys absolutely blew it out of the water. So the deal was, if you met those three things, those were the three ways to enter the contest. However, if you met those three things, then I was going to give away another Silhouette Cameo this coming week. And you guys met it, I'm going to give away another Silhouette Cameo. So we're going to pick the winner for this Cameo first. I also have two other prizes that we're going to give away. And then on Thursday of this week, I'll let you know how to enter the new Cameo giveaway, and we'll give away the new Cameo next Monday. So you don't even need to purchase anything to enter to win these Cameos, which is amazing. A great cutter to help your business and do decals and side projects if you already have a business, or if you're looking to get started in the business or do crafting or anything. Amazing cutter to get going, and you have a shot to win it with no purchase at all, okay? So first thing we need to do is we need to pick our winners for this, okay? We have 3 different prizes, so I'm going to go over here to the screen. We're going to pick our 3 winners. Now remember, you do have to claim your prize within a week, okay? So you have till next Monday. So please make sure you follow up with this, because if you don't claim the Silhouette Cameo, we're going to give away a different one, okay? And we'll give it away a different week throughout the year. So make sure you claim your prize within a week, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to head over here, we're going to give it away, and we'll see who our winners are. Just to let you know, we had over 1,000 likes, over 1,000 comments, and over 1,000 shares. Absolutely insane. You guys are all amazing TRW crew. So let's see who our winners are. Okay, so I got the Facebook post pulled up right here. We're going to go ahead and select our winners. Now I did say that we were going to have 2 other winners as well. So the other prizes, because we had so many likes and so many comments, I got right here 1 roll of our Magic Flock template material, and then I also have 100 gross of SS10 Korean low-lead crystal rhinestone. So we're going to pick those winners first. So as you can see, the post right here, and we have 1,133 shares. We had over 1,300 likes and over 1,400 comments. Absolutely amazing. So, first thing, we're going to pick our winner for our roll of Magic Flock template material. Now, the winners, you do have to put in the custom notes on the website. On your next order that requires shipping, we will include this with your next order that requires shipping on the website. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll through all of these comments right here. You can see a ton of different comments, and we are going to go ahead and pick our winner. So scrolling through here, looking for what we want, and over 1,000 of them to scroll through. You can see scrolling through them quickly here. I'm going to stop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. You can see I wasn't looking. And our winner for our roll of Magic Flock is Cassandra Franklin. Cassandra Franklin, congratulations. This roll of Magic Flock, it says your name on it. See that? Cassandra Franklin, congratulations. You got yourself a roll of Magic Flock with your next order that requires shipping on the website. Second winner, we got 100 gross of SS10 Korean low-lead rhinestones. I am going to scroll through here again. And I'm going to stop in 5, 4, 3, not looking, 2, 1, 0. And that winner is Stacy Shavira. Stacy, congratulations, Stacy. If I pronounced your name wrong, you won 100 gross of SS10 Korean low-lead rhinestones, so I'm sure you'll forgive me. Next order that requires shipping on the website. Stacy, just let us know, and you got yourself 100 gross of SS10 Korean low lead rhinestones with your name on it. Thanks, Stacy. Okay, and here we go. Our grand prize giveaway, the Silhouette Cameo 3, brand new in box. It's going to be shipped to you with your next order that requires shipping on the website. You're just going to put it in the custom notes, and believe me, everybody at TRW will know that you're the one that won it, okay? So, we are going to give away another Silhouette Cameo next week. On Thursday of this week, we will get out all of the details. I would recommend that you subscribe right here to our YouTube channel, because this is probably where that information is going to come to. Just a little hint for you, alright? So, I am going to scroll through over 1,300 likes here, okay? I always like to look away from the screen so you guys can see, so you don't know who I'm picking. I don't want it to be any favorites or non-favorites, and make it fair for everybody, right? So, I am going to stop here in the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, winner. Kimberly Dukes Frink. Kimberly Dukes Frink. You're the winner of a Silhouette Cameo 3. Kimberly, who would have known? Kimberly, this Silhouette Cameo 3 has your name on it right there. Brand new Silhouette Cameo 3. Take your business to the next level or start your business. Kimberly, congratulations. You are the winner for our first of maybe many Silhouette Cameo 3 giveaways for 2018. You know us at TRW, we do things different. We do things to help you. We do things to build your business, because the more successful you are, the more successful we are as well. Kimberly, congratulations. Your Cameo, just send us a message. Next order requires shipping. We will ship it to you. And come this Thursday, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be posting a video on Thursday on the directions to enter next week's. And who knows? Maybe we'll have another little challenge to possibly give away another Silhouette Cameo the following week. And who knows, we might just keep that going. As good as you guys are with the challenges that I always give you, you guys absolutely kill them every time. So, hey, you're rewarding us, we're going to reward you as well. So, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for everybody that entered the contest. And remember, right now on the website, 30% off rhinestones, and we have a graph text special going on right now. So check out the website right now. 30% off stones. The coupon code is on the website. If you're watching this at a later date, no worries. That sale might be over, but a new Silhouette Cameo might not be. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the Facebook page. We'll see you soon, crew. Later.